Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can add the Tools Widget Panel to the edge panels on the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. First, tap on the Home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, we swipe down at the top to open up the Quick Settings panel. In here, tap on the Settings icon. And then in the Settings page, we scroll down and tap on Display. Next, scroll down and tap on Edge Panels. Make sure you turn on Edge Panels by tapping on the toggle button at the top. Now we go down and tap on Panels. At the top here, scroll across until you can locate the Tools panel. So here it is. So once you locate the Tools panel, tap on the radio box to select it. Now, if you scroll across, if there is any panel that you don't need to use, you can tap on the radio box to remove them from the edge panels. So I'm going to remove the people in the task panel, and I'm going to add the tools panel to the edge panel. Now, if I swipe across on the side of the screen to open up the edge panels, you can see I can swipe across to locate the tools panel. In here, I can select compass tool, tally counter tool, flashlight tool, surface level tool, and ruler tool. Select what you want to use. And if I select a ruler, I can use my phone as a ruler. I can use a flashlight, so I can tap on the flashlight. I can increase the level, or I can tap on it to turn on or off. I can use the SOS function, and that will kind of switch on and off for the SOS function. If I want, I can also use it as a tally counter. And that's it. That is how you can add or remove the tools panel from the edge panels. So deselect the tools panel, we'll remove it from the edge panel. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.